A keyboard is an essential tool for everyday computer user. But with constant use it can quickly accumulate dust, dirt and even bacteria. There are several steps you can do for cleaning of your keyboard. Firstly, turn off your computer and unplug the keyboard or remove the batteries. After that, turn keyboard upside down, shake the keyboard gently to remove any loose debris, dust and hair. Next, dip a cotton swab in isopropyl alcohol and gently clean the keys one by one. These liquids are great for cleaning and disinfecting your keyboard, but make sure cotton swab are not dripping, as excess liquid can damage the keyboard. You can use a soft brush for removing dirt from your keyboard. It has nylon bristles, flocking sponge, and keycap puller for deep cleaning. Its flocking sponge can clean the dust in the wireless charging case of the earphone. And its high-density brush can clean the dirt from your keyboard. For more best results, use air cans to suck up any remaining dirt and dust between the keys. It will effectively blow away dust and dirt from electric devices, and it will help to keep your spaces and gadgets clean without damaging them. ColorCoral Cleaning Gel is also an effective and simple way for cleaning of your keyboard easily. It is made of biodegradable gel, not sticky to hands, and smells sweet with lemon fragrance. Make sure your hands are dry and clean. Knead the cleaning gel into a ball. Then press the cleaning gel slowly into the keyboard till the cleaning gel could touch the bottom, and then pull out. The dust would be carried away with the cleaning gel. Then use compressed air duster and mini vacuum keyboard cleaner for more good results. It has 3 different nozzles, one for blower mode and other for vacuum mode and food sealer mode. It is good at vacuuming the corner of computers and keyboard. It has higher suction power, which can clean the dust in deeper and efficiently. Then use disinfecting wipes to clean the tops of keyboard keys by using the light pressure of your palm. Dry your keyboard properly with any fan or dryer. Cleaning of keyboard is very simple and easy. By following these simple methods and by using these products, you will get clean and hygienic keyboard at home easily.